I'm excited. I love salsa matcha so much. My friend Hector is here visiting.
It's an honor being here. I'm such a fan.
You have two different salsa matcha.
Yes.
One salsa matcha is on the sweeter side, and then your other salsa matcha is not on the sweeter side because what's the difference? It doesn't have cranberries.
More savory. The only thing is, instead of cranberries and raisins, we use peanuts.
I want to try them in ways that you maybe haven't tried them before. So I was thinking like an avocado and scallop tostada, and then aliolio.
I think that the cranberry would go great with the scallop dish, and I think the peanut, the cacahuate one, can go with the pasta. And it'll give it an extra crunch too, you know, it's something fun, you know, make it a little fun.
So I thought that we could start with something really simple. So if you want to help me season the scallops with salt and pepper. And meanwhile, I'm adding oil and butter to my pan.
¿Por qué las dos, right? Like why both of them? You're using the oil for the heat component and the butter for the flavor. Is that the way?
Exactly.
I'm so smart. Sometimes I blow my mind.
You are
sometimes.
so smart. And then I'm gonna add them to my pan. Very high heat. Just quickly brown on both sides, because if you cook them too much, it's like shrimp, and they become chewy and rubbery. And they just lose their charms. Once you have a brown like this, that's it. So let's add some lime zest to the mayo.
Deliciosas.
Avocado, of course.
Yes.
Ay, o sea, yeah, like...
This was meant to be. This avocado is happy to be here. This avocado is so happy that it's going to serve a great purpose.
It's so simple and fast.
Wow.
So we're gonna do Tia Lupita salsa matcha, but on the sweet side.
On the sweet side, with the cranberries. And the raisins. Yes, absolutely. Can I?
Yeah, that's.
Pati, es que no es justo. It's not fair. This is so good.
The salsa matcha, like, it is so wholesome because the ingredients are whole.
Yeah.
Like, you're biting into the seeds, the like kind of rehydrated cranberry, and the oil. It's like chile oil. That's so flavorful.
And I don't know if you see the little specks. So that's morita and chile de árbol. Just very, very pureed finely, so it's infused in the oil. So if you want a little bit more heat and without the crunch, you can totally just go drizzle the oil right like that. You see?
That's beautiful.
Can I take another bite?
Oh yes, please. This is amazing, and I think we should play with pasta.
That's amazing. Yeah. Yes, I would love to try some pasta with this. Then we do the peanut one.
For your more savory salsa matcha, I wanted to use a technique of making an aliolio, which is a lot of olive oil, a lot of garlic, some fresh rosemary and parsley, and oregano fresco. I think it's gonna be a great mix because the salsa matcha has garlic already.
Already, yes.
And it's already kind of preserved in the chile oil. And I love it when a recipe has the same ingredient used in a different way, because it brings out different facets of the ingredient.
Two different flavor profiles.
Exactly.
I'm so good.
Exactly. You are very good. You are very good. Okay, I'm gonna strain the pasta, but I'm gonna reserve like a cup of the cooking liquid because it's gonna help thicken the whatever sauce we're gonna have. Okay? Y ahora le vamos a echar tu salsa macha.
Let's go.
Y esa salsa macha is your savory salsa macha that has the peanuts, has the chipotle, morita chiles, the garlic.
The chile de árbol, and the garlic, and the sesame seeds and the pumpkin seeds.
I would throw the whole thing in.
Really?
Yeah, you can go spoon by spoon if you want, but...
Well, let's start like that.
Yeah.
Or maybe just like, let's go
I mean, yeah.
Why not? Sí, señor.
O sea, porque si no, if we don't do these, we're gonna make the pasta and we're gonna be adding more salsa matcha.
Absolutely.
No,
No,
we may as well.
might as well.
Todo. Mira qué rico.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna add the pasta if you keep on stirring for a second. Y ahora vas a ver how the pasta water is gonna come in handy. And it's ready.
Espectacular, Pati.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
It still tastes like an aliolio, but it's like the aliolio went on a trip to Mexico and grabbed what it needed.
I thought, with all that oil and all that stuff, it was gonna be overpowering. Perfectly balanced. The herbs, the oil, the peanuts. Pati, again, muchas gracias por invitarme a tu cocina. This was delicious.
Ay, no, thank you, Hector, un placer. And if you leave me some of the salsa machas, I will keep on playing and text you the photos. And you can see what you want to bring home.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I would love that.